To learn the trick of how to find the cube roots of large numbers, the first thing you have to do is learn the cube of number 1 to 10, which is number 1 cube is 1, for 2 cube is 8, for 3 cube 27, for 4 cube is 64, 5 125, 6 216, 7 343, 8 cube is 512, for 9 cube is 729. Now take a close look at the last digit of the cubes. Well, here you can see a pattern, that is for number 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, for their cubes the last digit is the number itself. And for number 2 the last digit is 8, and for 3 the last digit is 7, and for number 7 and 8 it is reverse of number 2 and 3. After learning this pattern, now you can easily solve the cube root of large numbers. Let's find out the cube root of number 6859. To find the cube root of a number, first we must focus on the last digit of the number. Here the last digit is 9. So from this pattern, the cube root of this number must be having the last digit as 9. After this, ignore the last 3 digits of the number. Now focus on the remaining number. So here remaining number is 6. For the remaining number 6, find a number whose cube is closest to the 6, but it shall be smaller than 6 also. Let's try number 2. 2 having cube of 8, which is larger than 6. So this cannot be an option. So now try number 1. 1 cube is 1, which is also smaller than 6. So the second digit of this cube root number is 1. So 19 is the answer as the cube root of number 6859. Now let's try another number. Let's find out the cube root of number 658503. Here the last number is 3. So from this pattern we can see that the 7 must be the last number of the cube root. So as per our rule, now we must ignore the last 3 numbers and focus on the remaining numbers. For remaining numbers, we must find a number whose cube is closest to this number, but the cube must also be smaller than this number. From here, we can see the number 512 is closest to this number 658, and it is also smaller to 658 as number 729 is larger than this number. So the second number must be number 8. So the cube root of this number is 87.